Certainly. Let's dive into the fascinating world of the iPhone 16. Mobile phone sparkles. Before starting the video, must subscribe my channel, and thanks a lot to those who have already subscribed, so let's go to the video. The iPhone 16, slated for release in fall 2024, promises exciting upgrades and features. Here's what we know so far. 1. Larger sizes for Pro models. The iPhone 16 Pro lineup will see a size boost. The iPhone 16 Pro is expected to have a 6.3-inch display, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max will go even bigger with a 6.9-inch screen. This marks the first size upgrade in several years. 2. New buttons. The Action button, previously exclusive to the iPhone 15 Pro models, will now be available across all 4 iPhone 16 models. Additionally, there's a fresh addition, the Capture button. This button functions like a digital camera shutter button, allowing you to focus and capture images and videos with varying levels of pressure. The iPhone 16 models will feature a new vertical camera lens arrangement, departing from the previous diagonal setup. This change is likely to enable spatial video capture for the Vision Pro headset. The Tetraprism 5X optical zoom lens may also make its way to the iPhone 16 Pro, potentially extending beyond the Pro Max variant. 4. Advanced A-series chips. Apple is designing new A-series chips for the iPhone 16 lineup, utilizing the latest N3E3 nanometer node. While details remain scarce, we can expect improvements in efficiency and performance. 5. Design tweaks. The standard iPhone 16 models will retain their current size, resembling the iPhone 15 models. The iPhone 16 Pro models will sport minor design tweaks, including extra buttons. For more in-depth information, check out the video description.